Greetings, beautiful people. Thank you for dropping by. Today we are making spaghetti and meatballs. It's an Italian American dish which is an assemblance of spaghetti, meatballs, and marinara sauce. So let's just dive right into the process of making this amazing recipe. For preparing the spaghetti, take water in your cooking pot, cover it up, and let it boil. Once the water has boiled, add some salt in there, and then you have to add the spaghetti. The one that we are using is by the brand Solimo, which is made from 100% durum wheat semolina. This one is also cholesterol free. Now take required amount of spaghetti and put it in the boiling water. Initially it's going to look like this, but once it gets soft, all of these noodles are going to get settled inside your cooking pot. Wow, that rhymes. I didn't even realize that. Okay, now the important thing here is that the amount of water should be enough for all of these noodles to be inside the water. At any point if you feel that the water is less, you can add more, and then you have to cover it up and let them cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Now once that's cooking, let's make the meatballs with our twist of cheesy core. So start by taking minced chicken. Next we take some breadcrumbs. Now put them together and mix them really well. Now once it's all mixed, add an egg to the mixture and add some salt, and now mix them really well. Ta-da! The meatball mixture is ready. Next take a cheese slice and divide it into small strips. Now take a strip, roll it upon itself and cut it into two halves. So from each strip you're going to get such two rosettes. Now we are going to put them in the center of the meatball for that cheesy core. So take some mixture, put the cheese in the center and roll it into meatballs. Now we are supposed to stir fry the meatballs, so heat some oil in a pan and start adding the meatballs. You're supposed to stir fry them, so make sure you're moving them so that all the sides are taken care of. Wow, these cheesy meatballs already look so tempting. Anyway, they're all this brown color from all the sides and hence they're done. And next we have to make the marinara sauce. Start by taking tomatoes and chop them into smaller pieces. Well, any size of pieces would work, big deal, because anyway we are going to grind them to make a paste out of it. Next we take onions and chop them into pieces. Next we take ginger and garlic. If you already have ginger garlic paste, very good. Now we have to grind them all well separately. We need their separate pastes. Meanwhile, take a pan on medium flame, heat some oil in there and start adding pastes one by one while constantly stirring them, basically cooking them. Here we have first added onion paste, and once it's all this light brownish, we're going to add the second paste, that is the ginger garlic paste. Mixing it all really well, adding some salt in there, and once all of it is really mixed, we have to add the tomato paste. Now here I'm really sorry because we lost the videos of this part. I don't know, the files became corrupted and we couldn't just fix it. Anyway, disheartening, but be brave, move on. So once the sauce has started cooking, it has started bubbling up, add the meatballs in the sauce. Here I would also like to say that you can add in any amount of spices, any amount of ingredients in your sauce. This is just what we made. Now you're supposed to coat the meatballs well with the sauce, so just move the balls around in there. Now cover this up and let it cook for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we have put our cooked spaghetti in this huge strainer to drain the water. Wow! So the meatballs and the sauce are well cooked in there and it is ready. Voila! Serving time! Enjoy the visuals! This part is definitely the most satisfying part. I mean, cutting a meatball to this perfect cheesy core. Wow. So, if you enjoyed what you saw, please do consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Stay happy, stay blessed.